All right, picture this. You're cruising down the road, tunes up, not a care in the world. Then bam, a split second and your life could change forever. But there's a superhero hiding in your steering wheel, ready to save your day. That's right, I'm talking about airbags. So, how do these magical airbags actually work? Let's break it down. Airbags are basically high-tech balloons that explode out of nowhere, but in a good way. The moment your car senses a crash, thanks to special sensors, it sends an electric signal faster than you can blink. This signal triggers a tiny explosive charge. Wild, right? It sets off a chemical reaction that creates a huge rush of nitrogen gas, and in less than 1/20th of a second, the airbag inflates right in front of you. But here's the genius part. Airbags aren't soft, fluffy pillows. They're actually pretty firm, designed to slow you down gently instead of letting you smash into the dashboard. If you hit something at full speed, that sudden stop is what really hurts you. The airbag spreads out the force, acting like a cushion, and helps prevent nasty injuries, especially to your head and chest. Still, airbags work best with seatbelts. Without a seatbelt, you could actually slide under the airbag or be thrown around. Think of airbags as your backup dancer. Awesome. But the main act is still your seatbelt. So next time you hop in the car, remember, you've got some serious science and a bit of controlled mayhem, keeping you safe. And that's the secret life of airbags. Stay curious and drive safe.